I'm going to show you this super cute, easy half up hairstyle. This hairstyle is so easy, so get yourself 4 bobby pins. So for this hairstyle, I have fine hair, so I gotta do things a little bit differently. So I'm just gonna take a teasing comb and go right in the center of my head, and I just have to tease this section of hair a little bit, or the bobby pins are just going to fall out. It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Okay, a little bit of teasing. I'm gonna take a little bit of texture spray too, just to roughen up my hair a little bit. Now, we are gonna take our good non-drugstore bobby pins, Metagrip bobby pins, preferably. Ridges are gonna be facing down, and we're gonna insert like this. We're gonna grab a section of hair, and we are just going to insert our bobby pin directly in like that. So I am lifting up my bobby pin a little bit. Let me show you. I'm inserting my bobby pin a little bit like this. I'm just gonna do another one right beneath it to make sure it's extra secure. Now I'm gonna show this to you from the back, and the other side I'll show it to you from the front. Okay, so I'm gonna take this section of hair up front, and I'm gonna bring it to where it meets the bobby pin. Now I'm just going to insert my bobby pin. I'm gonna kind of pinch my hair, ridges facing down. Boom. Now with this section of hair, we are just gonna fold over one time. And now I am only connecting it to the top bobby pin, okay? Because it's not gonna be able to go through both. So I'm gonna hook it on to that top bobby pin and push up. The second bobby pin is just there to hold that section of hair. So it's like double secure. I'm gonna grab a section of hair about the same size. Again, you don't want it to be too heavy because you don't want it to weigh your bobby pins down. Bring it back to see now where it meets this section of hair that we just pinned. So about right here. Now we have to fold it in too, so I'm gonna give it a little bit of slack. Just kind of smooth this out. And we can always readjust our bobby pin once it's in our head. We're just gonna slide our bobby pin up. Ridges facing down. Now I cut it a little too short. That's okay, we can just slide our bobby pin. Okay, and we are just gonna fold it in one time. And we're gonna connect it to that top bobby pin and slide up. And you guys, it is that easy. And this is super secure, it is not moving. Now you can kind of fix the top, you can kind of pull some of this hair out if you want like a little bit more poof. So that is it. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.